Halo semua, ini Guru Bule Gila dan hari ini ada unboxing misteri. Ini ordered by, video ini nama Istri Misteri or Misteri Istri. Karena istri saya beli ini dari Tokopedia dan dia berbicara saya harus unboxing itu dan review. Jadi saya harus membuat apa itu sekarang. Saya tidak tahu apa ini. Istri saya tahu, saya tidak tahu. Jadi hari ini unboxing itu. Saya berpikir itu folder. Itu feels like a folder. Feels like a school folder thing. That's what it feels like to me. Tapi saya tidak tahu. Lihat, see if I'm right. I think I'm right. Hati-hati, bahaya. Files. Really? Okay, seriously? Serious? Istri saya gila. Okay. Saya berbicara ke istri saya. Saya membuat itu, jadi saya membuat itu. Hari ini saya unboxing. Oh yeah, ini jangan folder. Dia jangan gila. Oh saya. Wait, ini apa tuh? What the? Apa itu? Apa? Okay. Saya tidak tahu apa itu. It's plastic. Folder? Office? Supply? Oh. Huh? Okay, sini itu seperti ini. Okay. 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 Oh. Itu tidak bagus. Apa? I don't understand what this is. I don't understand. I thought it was a folder, but it's a box, I guess. I don't know how to fold the back though. Like that, I guess. That doesn't look great, but okay, let's try this way. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Okay, so this is what I've got. I don't think that's right because it keeps coming apart. Maybe from the inside? No. All right, so that looks like the back. All right, so it's box. Oh, that's weird. That's just flimsy. That's so weak. That's not awesome. Okay. So I guess like this. So it comes up like that. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a little tab here. There's a little clip there. But how does it go in? It doesn't. Oh, I see. Okay. We have to bend this in. Oh, that's really clever. You see this little tab here? It's got a little catch on it. So you have to bend this in this way, and then it snaps in. So I guess all of them bend in. I hope so, or I'm breaking it, and my wife will be annoyed with me. Or she won't be annoyed with me. My wife will just make fun of me. She'll find it really funny. She'll think it's worth the money to mock me. She's really funny that way. Okay, all right, come on, can you get in there? All right, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing this to the camera to see if I can get it right, because right now I'm so worried about getting into the camera that I can't do it properly. Okay. Okay, let me try this. All right, so we're gonna try it from this angle. Saya marah sekali. Okay, saya moved, mau put. I can't remember the word put. Membuat kamera di situ. Dan jika when I did that, finger, my hand, turn the camera off. Bermati kamera. Dan saya untuk 15 menit saya berbicara ke kamera dan look at the lost all of it. Okay, so I figured out ini untuk sepatu, ini box untuk sepatu, dan ada 8 box seperti ini, dan bisa lock them in like this, dan ditulis ada tab seperti ini, dan seperti ini, dan seperti ini. Dan pakai tab ini bisa, let me see if I can show you, attach them all. Seperti ini. Oke. Dan ini. Let's go here first. Seperti ini. Got a slip there. Good. Then here, sama. Okay, seperti ini. Dan di sini ada slit here dan seperti ini. Itu pintar sekali. Istri saya pintar sekali juga karena istri saya berbicara ke saya beli misteri untuk kamu, the unboxing dan review. Saya, okay. Tapi dia beli ini. Dan ini harus assemble. Itu 30 menit untuk ini. 30 ini. Karena saya tidak tahu bagaimana membuat itu. Jadi saya harus, dan tidak ada instruksi. Jadi saya harus, dan itu 30 menit untuk membuat itu. Tapi itu bagus sekali. Itu light, tapi pintu. Saya pintar sekali. That's the thumbnail. Okay. Dan itu bagus sekali. Saya suka itu karena itu untuk sepatu. For my American friends, this is a shoe rack. Indonesian people all leave their shoes outside when they come into the house. They never wear shoes inside. Then my wife is constantly, she's very nice about it. She's very nice. Whenever I wear my shoes inside the house, she gives me this look of patient. And I know she's thinking, it's my fault. I married an American. He's just American. Honey, shoes. Actually, she doesn't even say shoes. She says, you're being very American, which is sweet and all. But anyway, so we're supposed to leave these outside. So now I have a place to put my shoes. So here's the door. And here's my shoe. So when I come in, I just take off my shoe and I put... Ini untuk sepatu Indonesia. Ini untuk sepatu orang Indonesia. This is for Indonesian people shoes. This American shoe won't go in. But my wife left her shoes here, so I've got my shoes for my wife. And see how nice this goes. When she comes in, she puts her shoes in the box, and the lid closes. Since it's left outside, these boxes will protect it from any rain that happens to splash or blow over, but mainly from cats. We have a lot of stray cats that we feed, and they come around, and sometimes the boy cats spray urine on our shoes. So this will protect our shoes from stray cat urine, and yeah. It's really clever. It's a very clever design. Itu pintar sekali. Karena itu jangan macho, bro. It's not very strong. It's wobbly, but when you put it together, the assembly itu, I mean, saya tidak bisa duduk. Saya tidak bisa duduk di situ. Tapi untuk sepatu bagus sekali. Then I hope it wasn't expensive. Jangan mahal. I bet it was not expensive. Dari Tokopedia, dan jika kamu mau itu bisa cari itu sendiri. Terima kasih, senora. Terima kasih, people. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe, please. Jika kamu suka video ini, like dan subscribe. Jika kamu tidak suka video ini, share with your enemies. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, too. Bye, everybody.